Hi, and welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use OBS to stream a game, step by step. Whether you're new to streaming or just need some guidance, this tutorial will help you get started quickly and easily. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides and tutorials. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing OBS if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open OBS and make sure it's linked to your streaming platform, such as Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook Gaming. You can do this by going to Settings, selecting Stream, and logging into your account or entering your stream key. Step 2. Next, create a scene. In OBS, click on the plus button under the Scenes section to add a new scene. You can name it something like Game Stream to keep things organized. Step 3. Now add your game as a source. Click the push button in the Sources section and select Game Capture. In the Game Capture settings, choose Capture Specific Window, and then select the game you want to stream from the drop-down menu. Once selected, click OK to save. Step 4. Let's set up your audio. Make sure your microphone and desktop audio are properly configured. Go to the Audio Mixer in OBS and adjust the levels for both your mic and the game audio. This ensures your viewers can hear both your commentary and the game sounds clearly. Step 5. Finally, before you go live, check your streaming settings. Head to Settings, then Output, and ensure your video bitrate, resolution, and frame rate match the requirements of your streaming platform. When everything is ready, click the Start Streaming button and you're live. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.